everyone, so today I have got a Lookfantastic subscription box unboxing. If you don't know what Lookfantastic is, it is a beauty subscription box that ranges between £13 and £15 a month, I think. I think that's how much it is. This month actually cost me 15, where it normally costs me 13. So I think now I'm on a not a yearly subscription because my yearly subscription's just finished. So I need to decide whether I'm going to do a year of this or maybe try another subscription box. I haven't decided yet, so we'll just keep it at this as it is. I pay for this box myself. I get like the whole of last year as a gift off my partner, but I do love the Lookfantastic beauty box subscription box. I do have a Lookfantastic coupon code. I will put that on the screen here. It is an affiliate code. It will give you a discount on this subscription, but it will give you a discount on a lot of it Lookfantastic items as well. So it's always worth putting in your coupon box just to see if it works. And if it doesn't work, normally they'll suggest a code that will work. So it's definitely worth it. But anyways, let's just see what we've got in this month's subscription box. So the first thing I'm just like, oh, I feel like I've had this so much in advent calendars and in beauty boxes. I'm just not excited about it, and I've had it a lot in advent calendars over the last few months, and it is the Philip Kingsley Electricizer. I know some people love this, but honestly, do they actually sell any of these? Or are they just in boxes? It is the deep conditioning treatment, so it is the conditioning treatment. It's not the pre-treatment one, so it is something different. Yeah, but I'm just not really that excited about this, to be honest. Philip Kingsley, because we see the same sort of thing all the time off them, I don't get excited by them, honestly, for that reason. Next, we've got something from Dr. Pawpaw, which is actually something different. It is Your Gorgeous Skin Hydrating Face Mist. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's got niacinamide in, and it's got Nero flower. It says spray 6 to 8 inches from your face and neck to hydrate and moisturize your skin. That sounds really nice. I feel like this would have been a good box for in the summer boxes, because then you would be spraying it on your face in the summer to hydrate, whereas I feel like at the minute we're not really into that, you know. But I definitely am excited about it. I'm excited that we got something different. Probably the thing I'm most excited about is this little sachet of serum. And I absolutely love the Lancome Genifique serums. So I'm excited about having even this tiniest little sample of this serum. If you've not tried the serum and it is on offer on Lookfantastic or anywhere, or if my code works on this serum on Lookfantastic, use it. If I didn't have so many serums in my beauty collection, honestly, I could get rid of every serum I had in my beauty collection. If I thought I could and it wouldn't go waste, and I just had one serum and it was that, I would. That's how much I love this serum. It's that good. Something we've got from Peter Thomas Roth. It's only a 5ml size, but it is the Temporary Eye Tightener. It instantly tightens and firms the look of under eye puffiness. I think I may give this to my mum to give a go, because if it's what I'm thinking of, it's that one that you put on and literally your eye puffs are gone. If it's the one I'm thinking of. I'm not sure. I'm going to have a look it up. But if it is, I may give it to my mum for her to have a go, because I think she may enjoy that just for something. Something that's not exciting to me, it is the Sunbum SPF 30 water resistant lip balm. It's not very pretty packaging. It's not very exciting packaging. I don't really feel like I'm that bothered about an SPF lip balm at the minute. And it's a sunscreen lip balm. It literally says sunscreen lip balm. I'm not keen on lip balms in general, and anyways, because I feel like they actually make my lips more dry. Does anyone else have that problem? Because I really do. Yeah, so yeah, not so excited for that. Something I am excited about, because I do love this brand, and it is the Perfect Legs Body Butter, a mood boosting body moisturizer with geranium sweet orange essential oils, and it's from This Works, and it's a goodish size. It's 30ml. I wonder if it's the one with the tint in though, because the one that I've wanted to try, and I have got minis of, but I still haven't tried it yet, has like a tint in it. I don't think this does. Doesn't look like it does. No, this is just clear. So what does it do? It just says massage into legs and body. So it's just clear. Oh, feels nice though. Smells nice. But yeah, it's just that clear one. But if it'll do anything to make my legs look a bit nicer, a bit smoother, I'll take it. and it smells lovely. It's got geranium and sweet orange essential oils. It smells lovely. Last but not least is probably the most expensive product out of them. It is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, but the thing with this is it looks so much smaller than the sizes we normally get, and it's 10 grams, so I don't know how much this is worth. I like this cleansing balm. It is from Elemis, if you don't know, but I do feel like we normally get a bigger size than this. I do feel like this is like an even smaller size than we normally get. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel, but we've got a few products. We have got a few products, so I'll run through them again. Got the cleansing balm. We've got the Peter Thomas Roth, which these are quite small, I would say. The Perfect Legs Body Butter. The Dr. Pawpaw Facial Mist. The Philip Kingsley Conditioning Thing. And the Sunbalm Lip Balm. That is what we got in this month's box. Yeah, so not very exciting, but it is what it is, you know. If you want to subscribe to Lookfantastic, I will have it linked down below. I definitely do love Lookfantastic, I must admit. So yeah, I just don't feel like this was the strongest box. Don't forget to use my coupon code if you're ever shopping on Lookfantastic. It is affiliate code, but you are helping out my channel if you do. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.